do a little taping. I'm gonna have two review. One on these for the corner, for two. I'm gonna give that a review right here. 1 or 2. As you can see, this is brand new. Hello, today I'm gonna give a review on these Compound 2. This was brand new. It was just trying to suck it through there. I guess I couldn't suck it through there. Let me see how it goes. So it goes through here. Nope. Can't put the compound through here. So I guess I gotta put compound through the top part. Why? Okay. Fill this with compound. Oh, pretty sure you can suck it through it. Let me see. Once it's got compound in there, you can suck it. Yeah. Now you fill your compound up. Let's see how good it works. Tube is messy, but so you want to try pumping?
No.
All these tools they're trying to say it make the job easier. Actually, the both tool I don't recommend it. The tubing and the compound, the auto taper, I don't recommend it. This is like 200 bucks. That's like 80 bucks. So I don't recommend both of them. Okay, it's just a waste of money. If you like my video and you like my review, please subscribe. Appreciate it.